Good morning. Today is Friday, 30th of September 2011. Greetings from Melbourne, Australia. This is Jerome Nugent-Smith speaking to you about the Australian stock market situation and forward forecasts until June 30th, 2012. Very simply, hold on to your seats. I expect the ASX to crash some 40% between now and June 30th, 2012. That's right, 40%. That means it's anybody that's got shares, which are most of us, in either their own superannuation funds or through managed superannuation funds or direct investments and so on, is going to see 40% of their net worth in those assets wiped out. Pretty much just as it was in 2008, 2009 with the global financial crisis version 1. Make no mistake that global financial crisis GFC 2 version 2 will occur. The world will enter a more severe and prolonged global economic recession, and with it will come the ramifications for global financial markets and stock markets. So in short, if you're in a position where you can take action either independently or through your fund managers and so on, to give it some very serious thought. Now you may wonder why I believe this situation is going to arise. There are some fairly simple fundamental reasons. Firstly, the cause of GFC 1 and the global stock market crash in 2008, those fundamental underlying causes still exist. Secondly, and worse still, the situation, both economically and in terms of global financial markets, has become worse through US monetary easing policies, is simply printing money, global reduction in interest rates, what is happening in the Eurozone and the European Economic Union, which in my opinion is fundamentally an economic basket case and bound to collapse the Eurozone. So you have a whole series of underlying reasons and issues. All of these key issues have not, which contributed and caused the 2008 GFC 1 and the global stock market crash, which shocked the world, still exist. In fact, the situation is fundamentally worse. So, the message is clear. Now is the time, if you haven't already, to reconsider your position, and you've got to ask yourself the fundamental question, okay, what are the chances of the stock market going up between now and June 30th, 2012? In my opinion, less than 1%, perhaps zero. What are the chances of it bubbling along where it is, up and down, extreme volatility? Probably 10 to 15%. That leaves somewhere in the region of 85% to 90% plus that where the stock market is going to fall. And if it does fall, given the way that things operate today, it will fall substantially. So hold on to your seats, be prepared, and remember, cash is king. Thank you very much. And here's some contact details if anybody wants to get in touch with me.